I'll show you the 4 ways to load your Chime card for absolutely free. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, the most popular way, cash. You can walk into any of the 8,000 plus Walgreens or Duane Reade locations across the country and deposit cash for 0 fees. Just go to the register, tell the cashier you want to load your Chime card, and either swipe your card or have them scan the barcode in your app. You can load up to $1,000 a day, and the money is usually available in minutes. Method 2, mobile check deposit. This is 100% free, and you don't even have to leave your couch. Tap Move Money in the app and select Deposit Check. Make sure you endorse the back with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only" at Chime. If you forget that phrase, the new AI scanner will reject it instantly to prevent fraud. Method 3, the standard bank transfer. If you have money in a traditional bank account, don't use the instant option. Chime now charges a 1.75% fee for that. Instead, link your account and choose a standard ACH transfer. It takes about 3 to 5 business days, but it costs $0, making it the best way to move large amounts of savings. Method 4, the direct deposit hack. This is the ultimate way to load your card because Chime actually pays you to do it. Many referral links offer up to a $350 bonus when you set up a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more. Not only is it free to load your card this way, but it also unlocks SpotMe for fee-free overdrafts and MyPay for paycheck advances. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.